Hello, new ALO7 tutor! Congratulations, you made it! And we couldn't be more proud of you. My name is Teacher Meg, and I help manage the academic team for ALO7. One of the things that I love about teaching with ALO7 is the collaborative and helpful culture that the company fosters and encourages. You will be observed for your first couple of classes. Don't be nervous, be awesome. Commit to what you're doing in class. After those observations, our team will provide you with some useful feedback to incorporate into your classes going forward. So, you just finished your class delivery workshop and your head may be swimming with all sorts of information and exciting ideas. The goal of this video is to summarize what you've learned. So let's get started. The top 4 topics that your mentor covered are teaching guidelines and expectations, the QC rubric, curriculum elements of ALO7 classes, creating a positive classroom environment. So let's recap. ALO7 is a big deal. This job should be treated as a real job because it is. Respect and communication are the keys to your success. Ask yourself, is this proper office conduct when interacting with tutors and members of the ALO7 community? Open Door at alo7.com is for tutor-specific questions and human resources type requests. You are expected to check in to the ALO7 website at least 15 minutes prior to your class start time. If you do not check in before 10 minutes, you will be replaced, and a problem class will need to be discussed with support. Problem classes affect your booking rate and your reputation with ALO7, so be really careful when you're calling out for class. Remember, you're teaching not only for 3 children, but also 6 parents, so be professional, courteous, and patient. How would you want to conduct yourself if you were visiting the student's home as a guest? Now remember, disciplinary issues can still arise in the online classroom. First, try setting a boundary with the students about positive behavior in the classroom. If it's unsuccessful, it's recommended that the tutor chat support after class. The QC rubric is a document used to ensure academic quality and consistency in the teaching that our students receive. During your session, your mentor discussed professionalism and teaching skills. So to recap, professionalism in the QC rubric includes manners, non-instructional behavior, language, and time management. So let's break those 4 down again, shall we? Manners. Those include wearing suitable attire for the classroom, having good posture, and maintaining a natural and positive facial expression. Sometimes, just like a regular brick and mortar classroom, the students will push the boundaries a bit. Despite the behavior of the students, please try to maintain a smile and a positive attitude. Remember, you can always chat support after the class to ask them to contact the parent and review our expectations for the classroom for the student. Non-instructional behavior includes not eating in class or looking at unrelated materials in class, maybe looking at your cell phone or Googling something on the fly. Remember, Google's not used in China, so this can come as a shock to your students, and that's why it's encouraged that you prepare all your lesson aids prior to class. We have a photo bank, it's awesome. Language includes using civilized language that's appropriate for your children in the classroom. Additionally, this section encompasses being mindful to stay away from sensitive topics such as government structure or Taiwan. You're here to teach the students English and give them practice speaking with a foreign tutor. We are not here to have philosophical debates about communism or whether or not certain countries are recognized countries. Regarding time management, this includes starting class on time and staying for the full duration of the class. Tutors should not leave early. Additionally, this section advises of providing a reasonable time limit for activities in the courseware. My tip is to look at the courseware navigation prior to class and the lesson plan and keep a timeline in your head. Or better yet, a little timer on your desk to avoid rushing through the content at the end of class. Teaching skills include corrective feedback, tutor tone, TPR, and props, equal attention and interaction. Corrective feedback ensures that you are providing timely and consistent corrections to your students. For example, if they say 2 elephant instead of 2 elephants, briefly explain what a plural is and encourage the students to try out the concept with other items. Additionally, the corrective feedback section covers a full range of errors, including grammatical, pronunciation, and lexical. Also, encourage the student to speak in full sentences as much as possible. It's not 2 elephants, but I see 2 elephants is the desired answer. Tutor Tone encompasses using a clear and professional tone of voice at all times, as well as maintaining speaking speed that is suitable for the student's levels. Additionally, you'll want to use enthusiastic and an energetic tone of voice when you teach. This will help maintain the student's attention. The use of TPR and props is vital in the online classroom. TPR creates another association point to draw from when recalling the vocabulary. The tutor should encourage the students to follow and mimic the TPR when possible. Props can be helpful in the classroom, as long as their use is purposeful. You don't want to appear as if you're randomly bringing toys into the camera. The equal attention portion of the QC rubric addresses providing each student with the opportunity to speak and learn. This method achieves engagement from all students, regardless of their English level, and keeps the balance between the group and the individual responses. And lastly, interaction. What does the tutor use? Do they use a number of tools like TPR and props and annotation to improve interaction with the students? Is the tutor able to interact with the students on a personal level by asking them about their interests? Are the students able to interact with each other despite their levels of English?
I am ready. Say ready.
Ready.
Each class, regardless of curriculum, has the following sections: warm up, new words, language structure, let's talk, and closing. The section itself may be titled differently, but the key curriculum elements are still there.
Hello. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi, my name is Teacher Meg. What is your name?
My name is Dennis.
Hi, Dennis.
My name is Diana.
Hi, Diana. Nice to meet you. Can you say nice to meet you too?
Nice to meet you too.
Oh, fantastic job, students. Great job. Awesome. Awesome.
In the warm-up section, remember to build that instant rapport to start the class off right. Assess the student's personality, their confidence level, and their learning styles to be effective.
Everybody say, hi, Lion.
Hi, Lion.
Hello, students.
I have a broccoli.
Ooh, a broccoli. How cool. How cool. Excellent. Students, what else do I have?
Ask questions about the courseware and the students' daily lives. If the students feel comfortable answering these types of questions, they will be more likely to feel comfortable and confident when the harder questions surface later.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Ready? Yes, yes, Diana. You see a lion? Everyone say, roar.
In the new words section, remember to review each new word with the students, individually and as a group. You can do a lot in this section to vary the instructions for your students. Remember, you can use the green circle buttons at the top right-hand side of the screen to show the words and the pictures, just the pictures, and just the words.
What is it? Say, it is a panda. It is a panda. Hello, students. Very good. Excellent job, students. Okay. What is this word? What is it? Zoo. Good job, Diana. Excellent job.
In the language structure section, you'll be introducing the language structure portion of the course. Remember, you don't have to wait to introduce the language structure here. If there's an opportunity to do so at the beginning of the class, maybe the new words section or the warm-up section, it's advantageous to do so because then you'll be reviewing the structure with the student later and it'll feel like review. This can lead to better student retention. In the Let's Talk section, the student will take what they have learned in previous sections and apply it to speaking on their own about what they see. As my virtual BFF teacher Lauren says, there is no courseware in the real world. Students who practice in a comfortable space are more equipped to speak confidently outside of the classroom. In the closing section, you'll want to provide a genuine warm closing to your class. Some tutors will summarize the lesson and provide individual feedback to the students, and others tutors may use this time to play a game. Maybe they're playing a game with the students before ending the class that reinforces the lesson objectives. Remember, this is the last impression that your students will have of you, so let's make it a good one.
Okay. Well, students, thank you so much for coming to class.
Bye.
I love
See you
seeing your
next
rabbit and your dinosaur and seeing your happy faces. Can I see your happy faces? I love it. Well, thank you so much. Thank you for coming to class. I see you next time, okay? Bye-bye, students. Bye, Diana. Bye, Dennis. Bye, Bill. See you next time, students. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, moms. Bye, dads. Thank you for your help today.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, students.
Bye-bye.
See you later. Bye.
Clear the clutter. No one wants to see your empty soda can or unfolded laundry in the background. Just saying. Remember, everything speaks, so be sure that it speaks positively of you and your teaching. You should be the only one seen and heard in your virtual classroom. Remember to advise your family members of the times that you're teaching so that they can be extra quiet and respectful. Get a green screen. Most complaints from partner schools in our quality control team revolve around the classroom atmosphere. My green screen is 2 yards of green felt that I bought at the fabric store. There are green screen kits online. However, there are many other affordable options out there too. Remember your professionalism. Don't put distracting images on your green screen background. Refrain from smoking or vaping on screen, especially during class. I mean, how would you feel if a classroom teacher did that? Sheesh. Use the tools in the ALO7 toolbox that are included in the courseware to write on the screen and draw images. The students love engaging activities. The more that they are speaking and laughing with you, the more that they will love to learn. Well, that's all I have to say about that. Thanks for hanging in with me. And remember, our goal at ALO7 is for you to succeed and enjoy teaching with us. There are a bunch of resources on the ALO7 Tutor website, as well as 5-star classes to watch. Also, if you're on Facebook, please find our closed tutor Facebook group, Pili's Playhouse. You can connect and share ideas with other tutors. We love to hear about your successes and help you improve your teaching methods. You can also connect with the tutor community in our weekly broadcast meetings. You'll get an email about those. Oh, and don't forget about giphy.com/ALO7 English. It's the industry's first ever online TPR dictionary. Just search ALO7 and the word that you want to TPR and voila, you will have an image from our experienced tutor team. In summary, we're so excited to have you on board and cannot wait to help you grow your confidence as a tutor with ALO7. Teacher Meg signing out. Happy teaching. Bye-bye.